Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by naming exactly what you need and why, type of questionnaire, target population, and key constructs. Once done, open Google Scholar and use quoted phrases for exact matches and author to find instrument creators. Make sure to add file type, PDF, to locate full forms quickly. Use year filters to prioritize recent, validated questionnaires. This focus start saves time and surfaces instruments rather than broad articles, so you can grab a usable questionnaire fast. Once you have results, open PDFs and search inside documents for words like appendix, instrument, or questionnaire to find the actual items. Make sure to record the item wording, response scale, scoring instructions, and any author permissions listed. Next, follow citations to the original instrument paper to confirm validity and licensing. If the questionnaire isn't fully reproduced, you'll know whom to contact. This methodical extraction avoids missing key details and ensures your chosen tool is appropriate and usable. You finalize by confirming permissions and documenting any licensing or citation requirements before using the questionnaire. If essential items or scoring details are missing, make sure to contact the lead author or search university repositories and theses where instruments often appear. Once you have the full instrument, pilot it with a small sample to catch clarity or cultural issues and to verify scoring works as expected. If you still can't find the instrument, try alternate keywords or expand the time range to locate older but...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.